Hi guys, welcome to Just Ordinary Things, only on TechnoWizards TechieTube. I'm Lakshit and in this video we're going to see about big sound sensor. So this is the sensor we're going to see about and we'll just go to the project. So we know that how mic works. So basically the sound or vibrations received by the mic are transferred into analog signals which are creating pulses, and that pulses are detected by using this sensor. So that's the concept. So for this project we need components like an Arduino Uno, which is an Atmega 3280PS microcontroller, and a big sound sensor, which is a sensor which has a bigger mic and a potentiometer, and some jumper wires to connect. Since I don't have an LED or a buzzer to connect, I'm showing the output in the Arduino itself, since the 13th pin of the Arduino is internally connected with an LED. So I'm going to start the instructions. I'm taking the sensor, I'm giving the I'm giving the VCC connection to 5 volt, ground to ground, as well as the AO pin, that is the analog output pin from the sensor, to the AO pin of the board. As you all know how a mic works, I also explained the working of a mic in the previous clipping. I can proceed to the next thing. I've given the connections. Since I don't have LED, I have not connected it. I'm plugging in the board and I'm going to code it. The code is available in the description, and if you want to buy any components that I'm doing in the video, check out the purchase link in the description also. So this is the sensor and giving connections. Okay, the code is being uploaded now. I'm going to work on the sensor. You'll see the output in the next clipping. So yeah, this is the code. This code is available in the description. Please have a look on it. Before that, let's know about Request STEM Robotics, a one-of-a-kind STEM education center which focuses on offering global STEM education to our next-gen kids. Kids from all age groups have something to explore at their center. They are offering STEM solutions to bridge the gap between theoretical learning and practical understanding. Adhering to the new education policy, they teach coding with hardware. Coding will be taught from basic coding cards to more challenging levels such as Python programming. They offer STEM Lab, Electronics Lab, and the Gadget Maker Lab under innovation programs. A stepwise approach to teaching robotics. Kids will gradually be exposed to various aspects of robot prototyping, which includes designing, modeling, and programming using microcontroller and electronic modules. They are also offering virtual online workshop under STEM, electronics, and robotic categories. You can also enroll through logging into website www.brickquest.in or WhatsApp to 9150320784. Or you can also join through this Telegram community, Brickways Maker Club. So this is the output. Let's see in another video, guys.